Want to learn how to print and place an articulated ball joint? Here's how. To demonstrate how to build an articulated ball joint, we'll use two rectangular cubes. Let's start by building one that is 20 by 20 by 40 millimeters. Next, let's create a 14 millimeter sphere. Now let's move the sphere into the center of the rectangular box and move it so that it's about 2/3 of the way embedded in the box. Next, let's make a copy of the sphere. Now we can take one of those spheres and use it to cut out a shape in the rectangular box to make a place for the ball joint. Now we can take the sphere and press pull it in by 0.2 millimeters to give it some room to move around in the ball joint. Now let's create a second 20 by 20 by 40 millimeter rectangular box. Align the two rectangular boxes end to end. Now we can attach the rectangular box to the cube by combining them. Next, select the 8 edges between the two rectangular boxes. We will fillet them to allow some more clearance for the ball joint to move. We will finish up in Fusion by saving and exporting an STL file. Now go into your slicer, import your STL file, slice it, and print it. When it's done printing, take the ball joint off of your print plate and carefully twist it to separate the ball from the joint. You can use this type of articulated ball joint in other designs so that you could have some movement. This is one way that people make articulated dragons and similar articulated toys. If you like videos like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe or follow. Thank you.